Hi, in this video, we will help you to add the profiles of customers who leave reviews into a custom list in Klaviyo. To do that, we go to Klaviyo account and click on List and Segments. We can create a new list. We click here, select List. After that, we select a name, for example, New Reviewer, and create list. And that's it. You've created your list in Klaviyo. After that, we need to see the list ID to integrate it with Opinew. To do that, we click on List and Segments, and in the list we just created, we click on the three-dot icon, select List Settings. After that, this is where our list ID will show up. Copy it, place it in the third field in the Opinew integration. Before saving, you need to make sure that in the opt-in process, the single opt-in option is selected. If not, select it and click on Update List Settings. Everything looks good. Click on Save on your Opinew page. Wait a few seconds. And that's it. Now, the profiles of customers who leave a review will be added to your list.